Are you wrestling with the grip of pornography addiction? It's a struggle that can feel insurmountable, but rest assured there is a path to liberation, a path illuminated by the teachings of Islam. Watching pornography stands in stark opposition to the principles of Islam. It's a practice that is both forbidden and harmful to your spiritual and mental health. Islam, at its core, promotes modesty and purity. It urges us to guard our chastity, to lower our gaze, and to keep our thoughts clean. The path to overcoming this addiction begins with fortifying your connection with Allah and seeking His forgiveness. The environment you surround yourself with plays a crucial role in your recovery journey. Find companions who share your values, who can offer guidance and encouragement as you navigate this challenging path. Self-discipline forms a crucial part of this journey. Occupy your time with activities that benefit you spiritually. Engage in prayers, immerse yourself in the Quran, and seek knowledge about Islam. By filling your mind and heart with spirituality, you gradually distance yourself from the lure of pornography. Guarding your eyes and thoughts is of paramount importance. Avoid circumstances that may ignite the urge to watch porn. This includes steering clear of inappropriate websites, provocative images, or explicit conversations. Your family and loved ones can be a beacon of support in this journey. Share your struggles with them and develop strategies together to combat temptation. Remember, you are not alone on this path. If the struggle becomes too overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There are therapists and counselors who specialize in addiction recovery. Their expertise can be invaluable in addressing the root causes of your addiction. Lastly, hold on to hope. Overcoming a porn addiction is undeniably tough, but with unwavering determination and sincere repentance, it is possible to break free. Trust in Allah's mercy and believe in the possibility of true liberation. In summary, the journey to overcome pornography addiction is one of self-discipline, support, spiritual strengthening, and professional help when necessary. It's a journey of hope and trust in Allah's mercy. Remember, you're not alone, and true liberation is always within reach.